Well guys, welcome to the temperate rainforests of Southeast Alaska. It rains over 270 days out of the year here, and we're about 45 miles northeast of Ketchikan, Alaska. Look at this place, it's a cold jungle. Everything is covered in moss. Look at the size of this log. This is crazy.